G'day everyone, we're here up at the Wingecarribee unit and we're talking to David. David attended a rescue call out yesterday at Hilltop for a dog trapped in a wheel, and we're just going to find out off David what they were confronted with once they arrived on scene and how they got the dog out.
Okay, when we arrived on scene, the dog was a 3-month-old puppy and had its head caught in a car wheel, which wasn't on the vehicle of course, and it managed to get its head through the hub hole in the centre, and there was nothing we could do to get it out as much as we tried. The dog was very calm, which was an asset. So we tried, well, we thought about everything first, and I thought the best thing we could do was use pedal cutters to start with, because the jaws of life wouldn't fit in.
Yep.
So we were able to use the pedal cutters to cut a little bit through the holes on the outer edge of the wheel, but unfortunately we couldn't get the pedal cutters into enough spots. So then we started using a hand saw, because once again we were limited on space, and it was very time consuming, very hard and very difficult. We broke one blade doing it. Once again, the dog was very calm through it. We took several breaks while it was in the process of being removed. We gave the dog water, we gave the dog food, and the owners petted the dog, as did we. There were 4 of us on scene. Finally, we used an angle grinder and we tested it near the dog. The dog didn't react too badly to it. We protected the dog, and then we used an angle grinder to cut between some of the areas that we'd already cut, and we made a hole big enough for the dog to get out. When the dog got out, it showed no emotion at all, just sat down and relaxed, and then finally just leaned up against me. So I think it was a successful conclusion.
Nice ending to could have been a tricky situation. Great story. Thanks, Dave.